Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, fog lights, power brakes, clock. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.